every golden, mellow sip of Umeshu you enjoy. Have you ever wondered where that flavor truly comes from? What journey, from lush green orchards to the elegant glass in your hand, creates this renowned Japanese plum wine? The path from tree to bottle is a sophisticated art, blending centuries of tradition with cutting-edge modern technology. Each summer, as Japanese plums ripen and turn golden on the branches, farmers embark on a race against time. A single misjudgment, an unseasonal storm, or an unexpected pest outbreak can wipe out an entire season's harvest, rendering years of effort to naught. This critical situation has profoundly shaped Japanese agriculture, where precision and high technology are not merely options, but a matter of survival. However, there's a lesser-known secret to how they maintain such superior quality. It's a refined combination of microclimate weather data and AI-controlled drip irrigation systems. Thanks to this, each plum receives optimal nutrients, achieving perfect ripeness without wasting resources. This intricate precision is why Japanese plums consistently reach uniform quality and exquisite flavor, far surpassing conventional farming methods. But how can this quality, this sophistication, be maintained and scaled up to an industrial level while still preserving the essence of tradition? That very question will guide us. Join us on a captivating journey where humble little plums, seemingly simple, transform into the celebrated flavor of Umeshu, a vibrant testament to the perfect synergy between nature and human ingenuity. Everything begins in the endless, sprawling plum orchards, a symbol of Japanese patience and spirit. Growing plums is not merely about planting seeds. It's a process of both science and art, starting with intricate grafting techniques. Healthy branches, carrying the best genes from the mother tree, are meticulously selected. They are grafted onto rootstocks that possess strong disease resistance and adapt well to the local soil. This technique is typically performed in early spring, when sap flows vigorously, creating ideal conditions for the graft and rootstock to harmonize and sprout. This is more than just propagation. It's ensuring that each generation of plum trees embodies superior characteristics, from pest resilience to fruit quality. A pivotal factor contributing to the exceptional quality of Japanese plums is the use of indigenous varieties, meticulously bred and selected over centuries. Japanese agricultural scientists have developed plum cultivars with enhanced disease resistance, adaptability to local climate conditions, and, crucially, ideal sugar content and flavor profiles for Umeshu production. This meticulous process ensures that, even from a young age, the potential for high-quality plums is inherently established, a distinct advantage rarely found in other agricultural systems. Following successful grafting, young plum trees receive specialized care. Farmers meticulously choose planting sites, prioritizing areas with ample sunlight, good drainage, and stable humidity. These are crucial factors determining the tree's robust growth and fruit-bearing capacity. Agricultural experts utilize unmanned aerial vehicle, drone systems, equipped with multispectral sensors to analyze the health of individual trees, detecting early signs of nutrient deficiencies or diseases that are invisible to the naked eye. Data from the drones is integrated into a smart farm management system, allowing farmers to make the most precise fertilization and irrigation decisions, tailored to specific areas and even individual rows of trees. Throughout their growth, the care is relentless. Farmers monitor every small change closely, They apply organic fertilizers combined with mineral supplements in scientifically calculated ratios based on periodic soil analysis. Irrigation water is adjusted by intelligent drip irrigation systems, optimizing the amount supplied, preventing waste, and ensuring ideal moisture for the tree roots. Pruning is an art form in itself, not only shaping the trees, but also ensuring sunlight reaches every leaf and every plum evenly, promoting efficient photosynthesis and air circulation. This helps the trees grow robustly, resist diseases better, and yield the highest quality plums. With such meticulous care, in spring, the plum trees blossom, showcasing pristine white flowers that create a breathtaking spectacle across rural Japan. Each bloom is a promise of a bountiful harvest. After about 3 to 5 years of persistent cultivation, the plum trees reach maturity and are ready for their first harvest. Plums are typically harvested in early summer, around June, the time when the fruit reaches its peak in quality and flavor. This is the most intense period, as even a few days' difference can significantly impact the ripeness and deliciousness of the fruit. Annually, farmers, with generations of accumulated experience and keen intuition, carefully determine the optimal harvest time. They don't just rely on the fruit's color or size, but also check its firmness, aroma, and even natural sugar content using portable spectrophotometers. This ensures that only the ripest, most flavorful plums are picked. The harvesting process is primarily done by hand. Each plum is gently and carefully plucked to avoid bruising, preserving its pristine freshness. Although modern technology has permeated many stages in the harvesting of plums for Umeshu, the dexterity of human hands remains an irreplaceable element. After harvesting, the plums are transported to sorting stations. Here, they undergo a rigorous quality control process, utilizing both computer vision technology and human discernment. Advanced optical sorting machines scan each plum, removing those with bruises, defects, or incorrect sizes. Subsequently, the accepted plums are manually sorted once more to ensure that only the best, most perfect fruits are selected for Umeshu production. In 2023, Japan harvested approximately 14,000 tons of plums, an impressive figure reflecting the scale of the industry. Among these, Wakayama and Nagano prefectures continue to be the primary production centers. Wakayama stands out particularly, leading with over 55% of the nation's plum output. This success is not accidental. It stems from a combination of meticulous farming methods, from varietal selection, soil care, to advanced biotechnology-based pest control, alongside favorable climatic conditions, which together produce plums of superior quality. After harvesting and undergoing a rigorous sorting process, only the most perfect plums are chosen for Umeshu production. Umeshu, a traditional Japanese liqueur, is renowned for its sweet and delicately tart flavor, often presenting a captivating amber hue. Surprisingly, despite its complex and profound taste, Umeshu production uses only 3 basic ingredients: fresh plums, rock sugar, and shochu. However, the simplicity of the ingredients demands meticulous attention to detail at every stage to ensure that every drop of umeshu achieves its fullest flavor. Once the selected plums arrive at the production facility, they undergo a thorough cleaning process. Here, automated washing systems use purified water and gentle ultrasonic technology to remove all impurities, dirt, and potential bacteria from the fruit's surface without damaging its delicate skin. Afterward, the plums are run through an automatic sorting line once more, with optical sensors rechecking their quality. The goal is to retain only the freshest plums that meet the highest standards. This preparation stage is crucial not only for preserving the fruit's authentic flavor, but also for ensuring the consistent quality of each umeshu batch. This meticulousness makes a difference, offering consumers a delicious plum wine with a distinctive, unmistakable flavor. Next, the thoroughly cleaned and sorted plums are carefully layered alternately with rock sugar and shochu in stainless steel steeping tanks. In modern factories, this process is automated by industrial robots, ensuring absolute precision in ingredient ratio distribution. Each layer of plums is interspersed with a layer of rock sugar, allowing the sugar to slowly dissolve and permeate the plums, imparting a gentle and natural sweetness. This steeping process is the heart of umeshu creation. Plums are typically steeped for a minimum of 6 months, but many premium producers opt for longer maturation, sometimes up to several years, depending on the richness and complexity of flavor they desire. Throughout this period, valuable nutrients from the plums, including organic acids and aromatic compounds, are gradually released. They slowly and harmoniously blend with the shochu, creating the appealing amber color and the unique sweet, mellow flavor of umeshu. Automated temperature control systems within the steeping tanks ensure an ideal environment for extraction and gentle fermentation, preventing unwanted bacterial growth and preserving the purity of the flavor. To maintain the highest umeshu quality, producers employ a special monitoring method. They don't solely rely on periodic human sensory checks, but also utilize advanced spectroscopic analysis technology. Every 2 weeks, a small sample of umeshu is drawn from the steeping tank and analyzed by a near-infrared (NIR) spectrophotometer. This device accurately quantifies sugar content, acid concentration, and the presence of aromatic compounds that cannot be seen or sensed by the naked eye. This data is cross-referenced with a vast database containing thousands of records of previously standardized umeshu batches. If any deviation from the optimal profile is detected, the system issues an alert and suggests adjustments to temperature or steeping time, ensuring the umeshu develops precisely to the desired flavor, far surpassing conventional manual methods. Once the umeshu reaches its ideal maturity, having fully developed its distinctive flavor and color, it proceeds to the filtration and bottling stage. The filtration process is performed through a system of microbial and high-pressure depth filtration, which completely removes sediment and suspended particles without stripping away delicate flavor compounds. This ensures the umeshu has perfect clarity and an attractive shimmering appearance. For premium umeshu producers, bottle selection plays a crucial role. They often use clear glass bottles, specially designed to highlight the pale amber color of this plum liqueur. Each bottle is thoroughly cleaned using UV sterilization technology and automatically filled in a sterile environment to prevent any contamination. After filling, the bottles are carefully sealed by high-precision automated machinery and stored in warehouses with optimally controlled temperature and humidity conditions. This helps preserve the exquisite flavor and extends the shelf life of the Umeshu until it reaches the consumer. Interestingly, Umeshu isn't solely a product of industrial factories. You can absolutely make this plum wine at home with a simple and cost-effective method. Preparing a batch of Umeshu yourself is not only a relaxing experience, but also offers complete freedom to adjust the sweetness, tartness, and alcohol content to your personal taste. Combine fresh green plums, rock sugar, and high-quality white liquor, most commonly shochu or vodka. Then let the mixture steep in a sealed glass jar. Over time, the ingredients will blend harmoniously, creating a unique mellow and fresh flavor that carries your personal touch. This is more than just a recipe. It's a journey of flavor discovery, a testament to the flexibility and applicability of the art of Umeshu making. However, can the flavor of homemade Umeshu truly rival industrial products, which are strictly controlled by high technology? The difference lies in consistency and the ability to control every minor variable. While homemade Umeshu carries a strong personal imprint, industrial Umeshu ensures that every bottle achieves uniform quality and standardized flavor, optimized through decades of research and scientific application. Automated monitoring systems, strictly controlled fermentation processes, and advanced filtration technology in factories are precisely the factors that create this distinction. Upon completion, Umeshu not only becomes a widely beloved beverage, but also a well-deserved result of patience, creative spirit, and the harmonious blend of tradition and technology. It stands as a testament that, with proper investment in research, precise cultivation technology, and optimized production processes, modern agriculture can create superior quality products that meet global market demands while preserving core cultural values. Have you ever wondered what the next technological innovations, what breakthroughs are waiting, will continue to revolutionize the agricultural industry, leading us to an era of food and beverage production that is not only more sustainable, but also more efficient? And what do you think in this relentless race? Should we fully prioritize technology, or still retain a part of the essence of traditional artisanal methods, as the Japanese still do? Share your thoughts in the comments below, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel so you don't miss our next exciting discoveries.